Hi everyone, I'm Koal with PrestigeTechReviews, and today I'm going to be unboxing this. The way I'm going to set up my videos is I'm going to have an unboxing first, and I'm going to do an overview of the product, then I'm going to do a review. Right now I only have a dual core processor. I might revisit this product once I get my quad core. I probably definitely will. But yeah, let's just get on to the unboxing. Packaged very nicely. Came through FedEx. My unboxings will not be edited, but my overviews and reviews will be. It won't just be one continuous shot, probably. Put a lot more into those. And sorry if it's a lot of loud noise in the background. My computer's running until I get a chance to get a case to quiet that down. I'm using the Cooler Master HAF 932. It's a great case, but I'm probably going to switch over to the Xigmatek 1200. Alright. Let's get out of that. That off and remove the packaging, and it is the Xigmatek Dark Knight CPU cooler. You have a bunch of specifications and information on the back, and also just the kind of applications that this heatsink can be used on, the socket types. And then on the front it's got a nice picture of it, and it's Core i7 ready, and Tom's Hardware recommended it. And then on the side you also have some more product information. So yep, let's open it up. I want to thank Xigmatek for sending me this product to review, and I'll let you guys know how good it is. You can go to xigmatechusa.com or just xigmatek.com. Let's get this open. There we go. So you have all your socket types and everything, and mounting screws and all of that. And then we get to the actual heatsink. Well, first the heatsink fins. Pretty big heatsink. It's very nice. And you have protective covering on the bottom, and then all of the fins, you can see that. Very nice, and it feels very durable. Set that aside. And then also it comes with a manual, just giving you installation techniques and so forth. And then we have the 120mm fan that mounts on the side of the heatsink. Okay, so that's it for now. Check to see the overview and then followed by the review. Alright guys, this has been opened by Koal with PrestigeTechReviews. You guys have a great day. Alright, bye.